Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about the company which is currently trading exactly at 613 rupees and has a potential to grow until 800 rupees within a very short span of time. I have done a detailed fundamental as well as the technical analysis of this company, and I see that this stock has a very strong potential growth and the potential momentum which is going to be happen as per my in-depth technical as well as the volume analysis. I have done a detailed fundamental analysis of this company, and I have seen that this company is generating a good revenues on a quarter by quarter basis as well as an year by year basis, which includes a very strong shareholding pattern, and the P by E ratio as well as the P by B ratio and the return on equity which is really increasing on an year by year basis. The company which we are going to discuss and analyze today is JSW Energy. If you see the chart on my screen, this chart is a daily chart for JSW Energy. This company's stock was continuously in an upward momentum from August 2023. The technical chart pattern which you are seeing on my screen is an upward momentum parallel channel pattern. Whatever the pattern which you are seeing over here is nothing but a bullish, very strong momentum pattern, which is nothing but an upward momentum parallel channel pattern. That's where we see like this stock is consolidating both as in higher highs as well as in lower lows within an upward momentum parallel channel, which is where we could able to see it clearly that this stock is bouncing back towards to the lower side of the parallel channel and again bouncing back towards to the higher and again to the lower and again to the higher. This stock has already given a tremendous breakout with a heavy volume which is more than 17 million volume in one day. This volume has never been happening to this company. If you see it clearly that this stock has given a tremendous breakout with a very strong bullish candle. Once after a heavy breakout is done, this stock has shown a tremendous momentum by having three back-to-back green candles. Currently, this stock is exactly in a very strong consolidation zone. Whatever the red candle which you are seeing over here is a very strong consolidation. This stock is going to go and consolidate little bit further down and will move towards into the new higher zones. The target for this company is going to be 800 rupees within a very short span of time. Currently, this stock is exactly trading at 613 rupees, and the best entry into this company is going to be over here, which is exactly at 580 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 711 rupees and the target 2 is going to be 800 rupees. I want all of our fellow investors to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best price to gain more in profits from this company. This recommendation is from a mid-term to the long-term perspective. I want you to keep this stock at least for 6 months to gain more in profits from this company. I'm sure that this stock is going to go and consolidate a little bit more further down until this price, and then again going towards into the new higher zones, which is going to be exactly at 800 rupees. Currently, this stock is in a very strong consolidation as per my volume analysis. I have done a deep dive volume analysis and I noticed that the weak hands, which are nothing but the sellers, are going to be very weakened, and the strong hands, which are nothing but the buyers, are gaining more in control on this company. I have done a detailed fundamental analysis as well, and this company is generating a very strong good revenues on a quarter by quarter basis as well as an year by year basis. When it comes to the technical analysis, this stock has a very strong potential growth on the potential momentum which is going to be happen. This stock was already in a very strong higher highs and within the upward momentum parallel channel. By breaking this upward momentum parallel channel, this stock is going to go and reach into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 800 rupees within a very short span of time. I would request all our fellow investors to keep this stock under your watch list and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price, as I just mentioned earlier. And thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted the videos on the breakout stocks as well as the potential growth stocks, which includes both the in-depth technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis. I want all of our fellow investors to understand the concept of technical analysis. How can we draw these technical chart patterns, and what exactly the volume analysis, and what is the strongest support and the resistance levels, so that you could able to find your own breakout stocks and the potential growth stocks instead of depending on any others in the future. Thank you very much again. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.